guys,
welcome to our channel. I would like to share with you guys our project in East Texas. Kenny and I bought a property 100 acres in East Texas. It was in July 2022. So it's a pretty big property. What we gonna do with it? For sure, we are not going to build a house or live here. We're gonna develop it and subdivide it and sell it. And this is the front of the property. It is about 24 acres. This is gonna be outer phase 1 of the development plans.
alright, so this is the entrance to our properties. So this is one of the project on phase 1 that we're gonna do to turn it to the subdivision.
We have been working on this property since October 19, 2022. My father-in-law helped us a lot. He came out here and did mow a lot of grass, and as you guys can see, it's very clear now. They have 3 ponds on these properties. We are on our way to see the first pond in the 24 acre. We're gonna make this pond become a lake. So phase 1 gonna be develop the first 24 acre, and just Kenny and I working on the development. We're gonna rent the heavy equipment, and we're gonna do all the job ourselves.
Okay, so this is the little pond. This is about maybe a half an acre. And all I want to do is catch the water in here as we get rain. We're going to get rain on Thursday night. Is just go and bring the digger and just take some dirt from over there and push it down in this hole and try to hold another couple of feet of dirt of water.
Yeah, look like we have more rains coming.
Yeah, it's coming on Thursday night.
Yeah.
But
yeah, do that first before the water comes.
yeah, so we'll hold more water in here, and then when I get ready to do my when I build my dam, then I'll break this dam, and maybe it'll fill up a little better.
Thì mình sẽ lái xe vòng vòng. So our land finish here.
You see this flag right here?
Okay. Oh, that's another pond.
Yeah, but that's not ours.
Cái cột màu vàng màu đỏ đó, màu hồng đó là cái cột mốc đất của tụi mình đó mọi người.
See the other pink
I see.
ribbon?
That's where you put the line.
Yeah, let's just stand outside. You don't have to walk.
Đó, đây là cái chỗ đất của tụi mình đó.
So we rent this excavator, and Kenny start pulling the trees in the front of our properties.
Hi, baby. You did a wonderful job.
There's quite a bit.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
How long do you think we've been out here?
I have a video, I don't know. I have a timer. Your phone's in the truck.
Where's your phone?
It's right here.
Of course.
Of course, it's a video in here now. Alright, so this is a big red cedar tree. So
It's got to come down. It's right in the fence line.
well,
This one we can leave, but this big one's got to come out.
really? I thought that we're gonna leave that one. It's so big.
It's big, but it's right on the fence line.
Oh wow, we say that we can make the fence continuously next to it? This is good to keep one big trees in the front.
I can live with that.
Yeah, it's just one tree, you know.
Sure
like
saved me a lot
you
of
see,
work.
like those big trees right there, you leave them because the fence line gonna be behind the trees, right?
This one's got the fence line. Take it out.
Yeah, you can take that one out.
Take that one out.
Bây giờ
And
mình
we're
đang đi coi
almost
mấy
to
cái
the
cây
end.
nào để mình bỏ, mình để. Yeah. You did great. Just a lot of
Yeah, I
work
think that's
done.
only about 2 hours.
Yeah.
And so that's got to be at least 150 feet in 2
Yeah.
hours. But it's all small stuff.
Yeah. Well, like I said, you can leave those 2 trees right there. It's fine. Those pull out those small tree next to it,
Yeah.
and
Now that's cedar we need to think about, and this, I think this is sweet gum, and we need to
This,
think about it. It's right on the elm. It's right on the property line.
yeah. Yeah, like these 2 trees next to it together. If you pull one of them, you might.
Might kill the other one.
Right. So I think just leave it like that, and we build a fence along with, you know, like this is one of the fence things, fence posts.
So Kenny started working the excavator. He pulled a lot of trees in the front because we need to clear the front line so we can make the entrance to go to our property. We also need to set the culvert, build the road, connect to the 514, the highway 514 to our property.
Okay, baby, tell me what are you doing right now?
Okay, we have these 2 big cedar trees right on the fence line.
Oh,
We
wow.
need to get them out. So I dug out and pulled the first one down. Now we're dug out on both sides of this one. I'll go up and tie on.
Ooh, look
We have
how
Dad.
big.
He's over there on his tractor. Got a 100-foot rope to just keep him clear. So I'll climb up here and I'll tie on as high as I can get. And then we'll have him pull it, and maybe I'll dig some more and he'll come over.
Wow. Ok, các bạn thấy cây nó nhúc nhích chưa? Đó, bà chồng như đang phụ. There you go. Ooh, yeah! He did it! That's a good job. Wonderful. Oh my god. That's a wonderful job, babe. It's really cool.
That's just all the work you could do with 2 Bryants on heavy equipment.